Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I am going to be showing you how to make palak rice in a very simple manner. So let's get started. At first, take a mixer jar, add some palak leaves, also add onions, 2 to 3 green chilies, some ginger, a few cloves of garlic, peppercorns and a little water to make a paste. You can add all these ingredients more or less according to your taste. In a pressure cooker, heat some oil and add a little ghee to it. Then add bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, fennel seeds, cumin seeds and some cashew nuts. You can skip adding cashew nuts if you don't have it. Stir well all the ingredients and add some chopped onions. Also add some cut tomatoes and continue stirring. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder and add the ground mixture into it. Add some salt to taste. Then add the cleaned rice and mix well. Finally, add some coriander leaves. Now cover the lid and allow it to cook up to 2 to 3 whistles. Mix it well before serving. Our spicy palak rice is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked my video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.